Today we are going to learn about past perfect tense. In the magic formula is that subject had verb third form plus object. She had finished her work. Time clues before, after, already, just, by the time and when. Super easy tricks. There is a two. We can say the condition is that first earlier action always happen in a past perfect tense had and plus verb की third form. The second latter action past simple and always use verb second form, like that I had completed my homework before my mom came home. First action जो है earlier action had completed in a past perfect and the second in a past simple. And remember the action that happened first in the past always use had verb की third form. Now it's time to example past perfect tense. Use an action happened before another action in the past. Like I had finished my homework. That's the past perfect earlier action. And then before my mom came home, then came. She had left when I arrived. She had left first and arrived second. They had eaten before the movie started. We had completed the project by Friday. He had missed the bus, so he took a taxi. The action that happened first had plus verb की third form. The next action in a past simple are we use verb की second form. Now we are discussing about the past perfect tense, positive, negative and interrogative. First, subject had verb की third form plus object. Subject had not verb की third form plus object. Interrogative helping verb first, then subject verb की third form object, and the end we use a question mark. For example, I had finished my homework. She had not left the office. Had you finished your homework? Use had with the third form always of the verb in all cases, whether it is a negative, whether it is a positive, whether it is an interrogative. Here is some example of negative and interrogative example. Like I had not finished my homework. Had you finished your homework? She had not left the office. Had she left the office? They had not eaten dinner. Had they eaten dinner? We had not seen the movie. Had we seen the movie? He had not called me. Had he called you? They had not started the trip. Had they started their trip? In the past perfect tense, we always use had and verb की third form of the verb. That is a very easy tricks of past perfect tense. Now it's turn to the past perfect continuous tense. And when do we use it? Use past perfect continuous to show that an action had been happening for some time before another action happened in the past. Action was continued, another actions happened. First had been के साथ we using verb ing and then past simple tense. Magic formula की बात करें तो subject plus had been verb ing object since for the time. Like I had been studying for 2 hours. यहाँ पे action was continued before the exam started. Then we using the past simple. Here is some example of past perfect continuous. I had been studying for 2 hours before the exam started. Time clue for 2 hours before. She had been waiting since 8 a.m. before the bus arrived. They had been playing for an hour before it rained. We had been working all day before we went home. He had been reading the book before his friend came. First action long continue had been plus verb की form ing. Second action always in a past simple. Now we are going to discuss past perfect continuous tense, negative, interrogative. First of all, subject had not plus been plus verb की first form ing object since or for time. Then use had always not been and verb की first form के साथ ing. Like I had not been studying for 2 hours before the exam started. Interrogative formula is that had always first helping verb first and then subject and the second helping verb being verb की first form plus I. Then object since for the time and move had to the front when you are making a question mark sentence. Like had you been studying for 2 hours before the exam started? And always remember for the negative had not been verb की first form ing. When you are making an interrogative had plus subject plus been verb की first form के साथ ing. Here is some example of negative and interrogative, like I had not been studying for 2 hours before the exam started. Had you been studying for 2 hours before the exam started? She had not been waiting for you since morning. Had she been waiting for you since morning? They had not been watching TV all day before the power went off. Had they been watching TV all day before the power went off? He had not been feeling well since yesterday. Had he been feeling well since yesterday? We had not been traveling recently before the holidays. Had we been traveling recently before the हॉलीडेज। नेगेटिव के लिए ऑलवेज रिमेंबर करें कि हैड नॉट बीन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी, इंटरोगेटिव हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी। होप यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड। इफ यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी यू कैन आस्क मी थ्रू अ कमेंट।